you have a radio. It's got your models on it. It's got all its switches and everything. But then you decided, no, this radio is too heavy. I want a different radio, one that's lighter and better. So you got another radio. But now, none of your models work on this one. You can't just copy them straight over. So how do you convert them? I'm going to show you. Easier way. I know there's a way to do it with text files and stuff, but that's stupid and difficult. There's an easier way. I'm going to show you the easier way. You're going to plug in this one. You're going to read the models. Then you can plug this one, you can write the models and some things in between. I'm going to show you the things in between now. I'm going to switch the computer, and then you'll see. You'll see.
First things first, you open EdgeTX Companion. Well, you have to download it. You can get it from the EdgeTX website. I'll probably put a link to it, maybe. Then, over here, radio profiles. So you want one radio profile for your new radio and one for your old radio. This one that says my radio is my Horus. If you go here to edit settings, you can see I first got Horus X10. You don't really need to worry about many or any of these settings because we don't really care about them for now. We're not going to use this to flash the TX or anything. With your old radio profile selected, go ahead and read models and settings. Now, select the models you wish to copy over. In my case, I will copy these. Hit Control-C, new document, Control-V. Now, we can close this document. Over here, we'll now go up to Settings. There's maybe a tool for this, but yeah. We just go to Settings, select your new radio. You say you may lose switching radio types. That's okay. Yes. Convert them. Just want to see here. Copy current radio profile, delete. Yeah, nothing interesting. So, over here is now all the things that are incompatible. So, the first thing we'll see, internal radio profile. Well, that doesn't really matter, so we'll ignore that one. Here's the main things that needs to be changed. So we have our mixes for all of our models. These are the main problems. And this pot, I don't really care about that though. Let's see, hardware, success pot. Yeah, we don't really care about the pot. We'll just hit OK. Now you'll see it does have a green model status, but in reality, it is wrong. So what you'll do is you'll double click on your model. And then from that list we saw earlier, we know that we have problems in the mixes page. So here in the mixes, we can see two of our mixes don't have anything assigned to them. So and this one's wrong. So the arm switch, we want that to be somewhere else. We would like it to be on SB. Just go here, select SB. Okay. Mode switch, SC is fine. Beeper, we want that on a momentary, in which case we will select SG. For the GX12, I would like it on SG. I might move it later. I'm still undecided. Then we'll go ahead and close this window. So for the time being, I'm just gonna put these in a different. So for the time being, let's just use solo 1. Now, what we will do is we'll turn on our GX12 or whatever radio you have. Plug in the USB. You want that one. And now you'll have a new storage. We'll mount it. I don't actually want to open it, but we'll mount it. Just to reduce the chances of confusion, I will unplug my SD card from my other radio. And now we will go ahead and read settings from radio yet again. Radio found in multiple locations. Okay, unable to find SD card. Try again. There we go. Now, I'll go ahead and just Control X, Control V. Click on that. Now we'll hit Write Models and Settings to Radio. You're about to write all models. Cool. I wish to continue. Models and settings have been written. So for now, I'm just going to switch to my phone. There we go, model. We'll see. There is our new model. And it is fully functional, except there's one thing I didn't change on that one. And that is the module. It's on Crossfire. I don't have a Nano Crossfire, so I can't actually show you that one. But I'll quickly do another one. I'll do my tiny whoop, and I'll show you how that works. Actually, no, I'll do Solo 5. Solo 5 will work. Let's copy over this one as well. Copy one model, paste model. This one's going to have some similar changes. First things first, in setup, we want to change our internal to Crossfire. Receiver number 0, arming is using channel 5. Start on channel 1. Cool. Now we'll go back up to mixes. This is the exact same setup as my other one. Right to radio. Models written successfully. I'll go ahead and switch to the GX12 and show you. Here we go. You can see Solo 5 is now on the radio. We'll go ahead and we will select the model.
Throttle warning.
I just quickly need to update that quad because this is on ELRS 4.0 and that quad is on ELRS 3 point something. All you need to do now is power on your transmitter
Throttle warning.
first. The reason why I say you power the transmitter, I'm sorry, I'm just getting my cable. You power on the transmitter first because else it might not see the quad the first time because it's technically needing to bind to a different ELRS. I'm using binding phrases, so I should plug this in and it should work unless I need to change the frequency because this is set to, I think, K1000 ELRS. Let's just turn this to 250. Return. And then I'm just going to restart the...
Telemetry connected.
Ah, there we go.